make to going to the shop is will be okay, then I'm happy. But if this one is for example is not okay, I think I buy myself my new laptop, so it's okay. So this one is Slab. Thank you, Uncle Tony TV. Thank you sa lahat. So I'm very very sad because tomorrow is my birthday. All my laptop is spoiled. My whole laptop is spoiled. It's gone. So what should I can do? Oh my goodness. Hi, mother. Baba ka ng bahay mo, lalabs. Yeah. I'm very love all this laptop. I very love all this thing because this one is giving to me. So I take care this one every time, but I don't know what shot. Maybe this is the time that they will they will broke out, or I don't know also. Yeah. So we cannot do anything. Yeah, we cannot do anything. Maybe it's like I don't know. We cannot do anything. It's broken, broken. So just leave it. If you think too much, then you getting what is that? If you think too much, then you getting stress only. So just like that. So I just put this one in my room, and I want to fix my vacuum. So guys, I have a vacuum that again, what kind of month I have right now? Oh my goodness, what kind of month I have right now? You know, my vacuum is broken, so I need to fix it. Yeah. Oh my goodness. So what is that? I cannot do anything right now, but I trying to wash the plate first. Yeah, I want to wash my plate. Then thank you for everyone there. Yeah, Prexijo is very sad. Yeah, because all very important for me is go away. So I'm sad now, but it's okay. I will accept it. So again, I want to fix the vacuum now in my floor because my vacuum is also spoiled. Oh my goodness. I'm so sad. Oh, I give you a jacket, mother. Wait. Also, the vacuum in my house is wait, ha. Someone is coming, don't have jacket. So I give you a jacket, mother. So, kay Tita Mayang, my hand is very wet. Yeah, mayroon ka ng jacket, lalab. And please connect Luxor Vlog on the pin. So, hindi ako makababa ng ibang bahay kasi yung phone ko ay sira din. I'm very poor person right now. Prexy Joy is very poor person. My phone is before is last year 2024. I dropped my phone in my YouTube phone. Then it's broken the screen. So actually now I still using. So it's so much. Oh my goodness, what kind of life I have right now. So I don't have second phone to use in my channel, so never mind. One day we can fix it everything. Just think positive. So mga lalab, I want to fix my vacuum. Okay, you just watch for me how that I can fix my vacuum right now because my vacuum is spoiled. Ayan, please connect mga lalab one another. I don't know if this one is good. Yeah, you just watch for me. Yeah, so my phone is this one, vacuum. I need to fix it. I'm getting also like so much. Hi, Frank, Tita Maya, may jacket ka na ha. Yeah. So, just watch for me ha to I fix my vacuum. Sino ba yung bibigyan natin ng jacket dito? Later mawawala naman yung mga dyan. Ayan sa ating mga palolove, thank you so much. And please connect one another. Ayan.